Hey guys, it's Mrs. Capello. Welcome to library for CDS at home. I hope everything's been going well with you guys as you've been figuring out all this online learning stuff. Hopefully you've had a good experience so far, and I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of how library is going to be this week, and then this will take us up to spring break, and then after spring break you'll go back to having music and art, depending on whether we're back in school or not. So I'm going to present this to you guys, and the way I'm doing library is very similar to the way that Mrs. Friedman is doing music. So it will be very important for you to pay close attention to this so that you know exactly what's going on. So each library day, I'm going to have a video recorded. It'll be a YouTube video about what the assignment for that day is. So this video will be in your Google Classroom posted with your assignment. So this is also what I did with 4th grade, as you can see here. It'll have your assignment, and right in the instructions, the first step is to watch the video to hear about what you'll be doing. So it's very, 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 very important that you watch that video first, and that should explain everything. Remember, you can rewind the video and watch it as much as you need to, so if you get confused on a part, just go back and watch the video again, and it will probably clear it up for you. Okay, so that's the first step, is to watch the YouTube video. After you watch the video, make sure you read over the instructions. So it's really important. I'm going to try to do a good job of keeping the assignment structured with steps, numbered steps, because I think that's an easier way to figure it out. So the assignment will have all the instructions that you need, and this will be in the classwork section of your Google Classroom, and it will also appear in the stream as well once it's published for that day. So step-by-step instructions. Hopefully that makes it easy for you guys to understand. Most of the lessons that you complete will have some type of assignment to turn in. It could be a Google form, or it might be a Google Doc. If it's a Google Doc, remember that you have to share it with me. So if I'm asking you to fill something out that's a Google Doc, you need to go to share in the top right corner and start typing my name so that it is shared with me so that I can see your work. If you don't share it with me, then I will not be able to see what you did. An important reminder, I am not trying to overwhelm you or stress you out. I'm doing my best to keep the assignments pretty low key, and that's because I want it to be fun for you guys, and I also want you to get something out of it. So the assignments that I give you should only be worked on during library time. I do not want you doing any of this for homework. I know you have other homework for your other classes. That's important as well. So if you do not finish during library class, you do not need to finish it for homework. Just turn in whatever you have completed. I will be giving you feedback, but this is not for an actual letter grade or number grade. So it's just for me to see that you understand what we're doing. And please do not stress if you do not get to finish. Just turn in whatever you finished. And finally, I will have a Zoom room for us to use during library class. So I will share the link in each assignment. It'll be at the end of the assignment. And that Zoom will be open from 1:30 to 2 whenever we have class on day B. So please only join the Zoom if you have questions after you've watched the video. So I think this was confusing for my 4th graders because a lot of them would come into the Zoom and say, what am I supposed to do today? And I'll say, did you watch the video? And they'll say, oh no. So make sure you watch the video because it gives you the instructions that you need for that day. So if you've watched the video and you're still confused, you can log into Zoom and ask your question, and then you can leave the Zoom to start working on your assignment. So it's just for a quick pop in, ask your question, I'll answer it. If you want to say hi, I'd obviously love to see you. I miss you guys a lot, and so if you just want to pop in to say hi, that's totally fine, but I will not be teaching in the Zoom. I will be teaching in the video that you watch. So if you feel like you know what to do, then you do not need to even join the Zoom. Okay, you don't have to add that to your plate, you can just do the assignment. If you finish early, which you most likely will because you guys are fast workers, you can read a book that you have at home. I'll show you a resource for reading books online, or you can just continue to explore the websites that I'm giving you. So I'll try to remember to add a step about what to do when you're done, but in case I forget to do that, those are some options. So that is it for my presentation today. I hope that this all makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me through email and we can get it figured out. All right, I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.